Good morning, everybody. Today we start numerical methods. Its topic solution of algebraic equation and transcendental equations. Now x cube minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0, x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. These are the algebraic equation. Now e to the power x minus sin x equal to 0 and x log x minus 1.3 this equal to 0. This is called the transcendental equation. Including exponential and log term in algebraic equation, this equation is called transcendental equation. Now this equation solve in generally iterative method. Now x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So we write x equal to 3 minus x square by 2. So we written as x equal to 5x. Let alpha 0 be the initial value. So alpha 1 equal to phi of alpha 0. Alpha 2 equal to phi of alpha 1. Alpha 3 equal to phi of alpha 2 dot 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 alpha n plus 1 equal to phi of alpha n. This process is called iterative process. Now, solution of algebraic equation and transcendental equation is solution by bisection method, Newton-Raphson method and Regula-Falsi method. Now, y equal to fx be any arbitrary function. Now put x equal to a, so f of a equal to less than a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. So the root lies between a and b. So the bisection formula a plus b by 2. So average of this. Now take a problem. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x plus 1 equal to 0 for the root lying between 2 and 3. Correct to 3 significant figure using bisection method. Now fx equal to x cube minus 9x plus 1. So f of 2 equal to minus 9 less than 0. F of 3 equal to 1 greater than 0. So the root lies between 2 and 3. Let a0 equal to 2 and b0 equal to 3. Using bisection method, x1 equal to half of a0 plus b0. So 2 plus 3 by 2, this equal to 2.5. So f of 2.5 is equal to minus 5.8 less than 0. The root now the root lies between 2.5 and 3. So 2.5 less than 0 and 3 is greater than 0. So x2 equal to 2.5 plus 3 by 2. So 2.75. Similar way, we calculate f of 2.7. So f of 2.7 equal to minus 2.9. This is also less than 0. So the root lies between 2.75 and 3. So x3 equal to 2.75 plus 3 by 2. This is equal to 2.88. Similar way, we calculate f of 2.88. This equal to minus 1.03 less than 0. So the root lies between 2.88 and 3. Similar way, we calculate x4 equal to 2.88 plus 3 by 2. This equal to 2.94. Now calculate f of 2.94 equal to minus 0.05 less than 0. Similar way, the root lies between 2.94 and 3. So x5 equal to 2.94 plus 3 by 2. This equal to 2.97. Now we calculate f of 2.97. So this equal to 0.47. So greater than 0. Now the root lies between 2.94 and 2.97. So we calculate x6 equal to 2.955. Similar way, we calculate x7, x8. We get 2.9475 and x8 2.9438. So these root are very near. Therefore the root is 2.94, correct up to 3 significant figure. Some important note. Okay. For trigonometric function, the calculator must convert it to radian. Okay. Now Secondly, we discuss Newton-Raphson method. This formula is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn. Now we derive the formula y equal to fx equal to 0 be algebraic and transcendental equation. Let alpha 0 be the initial root, alpha 1 be the first approximation root of the equation. So alpha 1 equal to alpha 0 plus h1. Number 2, where h1 be small error. Now f of alpha 1 equal to 0, as alpha 1 is the root of the equation 1. So f of alpha 0 plus h1 equal to 0. Using Taylor series expansion, we get f of alpha 0 plus h1 by factorial 1 f dash alpha 0, h1 square by factorial 2 f double dash alpha 0 plus dot 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 equal to 0. Now f of alpha 0 plus h1 by factorial 1 f dash alpha 0, this equal to 0, neglecting square and higher power of h1. So we get h1 equal to minus f of alpha 0 by f dash alpha 0. Putting the value of h1 in equation 2, we get alpha 1 equal to alpha 0 minus f of alpha 0 by f dash alpha 0. This is the first approximation root. Similarly, alpha 2 equal to alpha 1 plus h2. Now f of alpha 2 equal to 0, as alpha 2 is the root of the equation 1. Now f of alpha 1 plus h2 equal to 0. Similar way, by Taylor series expansion, f of alpha 1 plus h2 by factorial 1 f dash alpha 1, h2 square by factorial 2 f double dash alpha 1 plus dot 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 equal to 0. Now neglecting square and higher power of h2, f of alpha 1 plus h2 by factorial 1 f dash alpha 1 equal to 0. So we calculate h2 equal to minus f of alpha 1 by f dash alpha 1. Putting this value in equation 3, we get alpha 2 equal to alpha 1 minus f of alpha 1 by f dash alpha 1. This is the second approximation formula. Similar way, we get alpha n plus 1 equal to alpha n minus f of alpha n by f dash alpha n. This is the general formula for Newton-Raphson method. Now we discuss convergency formula for Newton-Raphson method. We know that Newton-Raphson formula xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn. We write phi x equal to x minus fx by f dash x. We know that convergency formula for iterative method is phi dash x er modulus, phi dash x modulus less than 0. Now we calculate phi dash x. Phi dash x equal to 1 minus f dash x er whole square minus fx into f double dash x by f dash x er whole square. So we get ultimately fx into f double dash x by f dash x er whole square. Putting this value in 1, we get mod of fx into f double dash x by f dash x square is less than 1. So mod of fx into f double dash x less than f dash x whole square. Now this is the convergency formula. Now few problem. Geometrical significance of Newton-Raphson method is homework, and Newton-Raphson method is also quadratic convergence. It's also homework. Okay. Now problem. Find the root of root over 12 by Newton-Raphson method. Correct up to 3 significant figure. Here x equal to root 12. So x square equal to 12. So fx equal to x square minus 12 equal to 0. F dash x equal to 2x. Now calculate f of 0 minus 12 less than 0. F of 1 minus 1. F of 1 minus 11 less than 0. F of 2 minus 8 less than 0. F of 3 minus 3 less than 0. F of 4 equal to 4 greater than 0. So the root lies between 3 and 4. Let us take any value. X0 equal to 3. Using Newton-Raphson method, x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash x0. So 3 minus f of 3 by f dash 3. So this equal to 3 minus 3 by 6. This equal to 3.5. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash x1. So this equal to 3.5 minus f of 3.5 by f dash 3.5. This is equal to 3.46. x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash x2. This is equal to 3.46 minus f of 3.46 by f dash 3.46. This is equal to 3.46. Therefore, the root is 3.46. Second and third approximation, the result are same. This is the Newton-Raphson procedure. Okay, thank you. Next class we start regular falsification.